Hello everyone, I am Salahja. Today I am presenting my seminar on the topic of Neuralink. So first of all, these are the contents on which we are going to discuss our further complete seminar. First of all, we are talking about the introduction. So we all know about what exactly Neuralink is. So Neuralink is basically divided into two parts. That is neural and link. Neural means neurons, which is presented in our mind. If you talk about the real-time example, then after my slide presentation, if you want to ask me any question, then your mind sends signals to your leg that you have to first stand and then open your mouth and ask me a question. After that, if we talk about the link is basically which is used to establish the communication between two devices, and then collectively we can call the Neuralink. Neuralink means which is used to establish the communication between two devices, which means brain and the computer interface. That's right. And what is Neuralink? Neuralink, this diagram is not visible to you, sorry for that. But if you talk about the Neuralink basically is a device which is implemented into our mind through the surgical robot. Next slide. Why Neuralink? Neuralink, if we talk about the human beings, there are multiple diseases like spinal cord injury, paralysis. In paralysis, Neuralink is perfect very well, because in paralysis case, multiple cases it is happened that person can't talk, even he can't move from one place to another. Then Neuralink is very perfect for those people, and they preserve and enhance our mind. If you talk about this, preserve means in many cases it is happened that our mind think many things, but when we try to search it on Google exactly all that thing, we can't do it. But with the help of Neuralink, it is possible, and security will be provided. Which means engineers are still working what type of security they are going to provide. And if you talk about the last point, that will be which is used to communicate with the machines. Which means Neuralink is a device which is able to communicate through which you can communicate with the machine. If you talk about the example, if you are watching the movie named Avatar, in this Avatar, the Avatar which is used to establish this tail to communicate between that bird and that Avatar. Next slide. These are the electronics. Electronics parts are divided into mainly four parts. That is A, B, C and D. First is A which means which is Neuralink thread which is inserted into our minds, that get converted chemical signal into digital one. And these are the B point, B sector, which means which is implemented into our brain through the surgical robot. If we talk about the C part which means entire body of the electronic device, and C is the output. Next slide. Neural thread. Earlier I talked about the neural threads which is implemented into our brain, whose size is very thinner than our hair, and whose distance is approximately 20 meters. Next slide. How it plays into our mind means how it plays into our body. This is the robot through which entire surgery is performed. This robot is divided into again many parts. These are the cameras and light. Whenever the surgery is performed, then from that cameras, the team of doctors monitor all the things which is performed by that surgical robot, and they can monitor what is happening and what type of situation is faced by that patient on which this surgery is going on. Next slide. This is the Neuralink device which is placed into the human brain, exact this position, and we are going to distinguish this Neuralink machine into parts, how many parts this machine is divided into upcoming slides. If we talk about these Neuralink devices, these devices are completely divided into 6 parts. First is biocompatible enclosure, which is used to close all the device which is used to close device which is inside that Neuralink device, whose threads are implemented into our brains. This is the tab which is presented over the battery of the Neuralink device. This is the chip which is used to convert chemical signals into digital one, and these are the threads which is implemented into our brain, and these are the lower portion of the Neuralink device which is closed by this one. This one and this one are linked together to protect that entire body of the Neuralink device. Next slide. If we talk about the current status means the practical, or we can say on whose this practical will be performed, which means this trial performed on the monkey, whose contain the properties similar to the human being, whose hand structure, if we search it on Google, then we found that this monkey having the hand structure like human being and many properties like which is similar to the human being. So this process is implemented on his mind, and Neuralink device implemented his mind in monkey's mind for 2 months, and capture all the activity which is performed by this monkey, and from his hand the monkey is controlling that device. After some time, that hand control gets removed by the scientist or the engineer who is working on this project, and then from his mind signal, that entire game will be played by that monkey. Next slide. If we talk about the advantages of the Neuralink, first is ability to control a computer with your mind. Earlier I talked about that it might be possible in future that from our mind we can control the robots, which means the signal, the chemical signal which is transferred from our body or our brain, that get converted into digital one, and that all the activity which is performed by robot can be done, that activity can be done with the help of robot. And then into communication which means we can store multiple data, and then enhance learning, which means we can do multiple things. There are multiple things which is learned into our mind that we can implement it through Neuralink. Next one, disadvantages. If we talk about the disadvantage, then ethical concern, which means due to this point, this Neuralink device still in the controversy. So there are multiple companies who is in the competition. They are talk about the privacy concern, and then health risk, which means it might be possible that during the surgery there can be possible that brain failure can return, or we can say multiple diseases can be generated, or social inequality. Still it is not decided how much price the Neuralink device can be implemented into human brain. And then dependency on technology, which means we can become dependent on the Neuralink device, which means if we talk about our live example, then all we get in morning, if we from I don't get it. Wake up at morning. Then we try to search it on Instagram, Snapchat, or all the things we are trying to find out what my friend said, and all activity we are trying to send in. That all can be done here, which means we can depend on the Neuralink. And if we implant Neuralink in your brain, then it might be possible we are on the bed and we think about this can be alpha or other thing. It's like if we talk about the conclusion, we can from here we can conclude that with the help of Neuralink, we can establish the communication between brain and the machine with the help of Neuralink. This is all from my side. If you have any question, then you can ask. Success rate till now it is not implemented on human trial. They got the permission of human trial before 2 or 3 weeks ago, but still it is in controversy. So Elon Musk still not reveal what is success rate and what about the privacy concern. This topic, I thought that this topic is very important because it is help us to communicate with the devices or which can be said a communication between brain and the machine. So I choose this topic.
What are his limitations?
Sorry,
Limitations.
limitations. I am not aware about the limitations. I am extremely sorry for that. Interface will be provided by Elon Musk give that technology name as gold standard technology, which is used to calculate the signal which is transferred from the human brains, which means we are going to perform any activity, then our brain release the signals with the help of neurons, so that all the signals get captured by brains, which is implemented into our brains by a surgical robot that will capture all that signal and get converted into digital one. Machine, sir, that which I saw, which I displayed in my slide. Sir, this is the chip through which all the chemical signal get converted into digital. But there are multiple companies who is in the competition with parallel to the Elon Musk, which is Neuralink. So Elon Musk still not reveal what type of algorithm and what are the different criteria they are going to provide. So,
Is it an embedded system?
not sir. It is a device. Yes sir, it is a Neuralink is a device. Embedded system.
Which is having specific hardware and software.
Yes sir, software. Hardware.
आगे मास्टर लोग
Sorry sir. This one.
FPG
This one. FPGA. Sir, I think it is used for translate that signal into digital one. I am not much aware about it. Yes sir.
And also that term is not in which unit is currently going on in your embedded system. Which unit is going on?
In embedded system.
second unit.
unit.
Second.
Yes sir.
Is there was a second unit only?
But not yet I am studied so.
It's a real.
Nice sir. I am doing all.